It's Friday morning. We're having a wander down from our apartment. So this is the row apartments. We're right at the end, and then we've got to go way down here to the event. Wander around, find some breakfast first, I think. But yeah, what do you think of the first day?
It was good. I was tired. I mean, the morning didn't go smoothly, so we were exhausted.
Yeah.
It was nice in the evening. We found a spot that was just tucked at the back, which suits me fine because I don't like being in the middle of everything. And yeah, absolutely amazing people. Made lots of friends. And it's really strange that someone would come up and know my name and recognise me. But yeah, no, it's been lovely. Been good.
But yeah, yesterday was a strange day. Long day after getting the train in. Thinking
two
we'd...
long days on the trot.
Yeah. But we thought we'd had it all planned with getting in with the train station. We thought was a lot closer to the event, but no, 2 kilometres away. We've made it down. Looks like they're letting people in early, but we thought we'd have a little wander across this pier. So you got a restaurant there, doesn't do breakfast, but you got a good view of how the event's set up. So it starts just behind the restaurant, goes all the way around. You can see the wall of death there round the back of the stage. There's a seating area, that's where we were last night, and a nice big grass area to sit down and chill out. It's a nice setting. I mean, you can't get much more picturesque than this. So this is Lake Lipno, and then we've come across this bit of artwork on the end of the pier. But yeah, it's about 32 degrees today it's going to be, so it's going to be quite a hot one, more than what we're used to. See where we came in on the train, it's just around that corner somewhere, I think.
Chrome is shining far and wide. Thousands gather side by side. Raise a glass, turn it up. Cold beer flowing, fill your cup. Rock all day, ride all night. IRF feels so right. Custom bikes lined in rows. Every build has its soul. Wall of death the sky. One more rider, parachutes by. New friends made, old friends found. One more story, going around.
So we've made it to the breakfast spot. What did you order? There you go. We're gonna have to get an app to work out what it is. But yeah, we did get breakfast menu.
How are you? We're going out for a spin. He's filming.
Parachutes by. New friends made, old friends found. One more story, going
waving as it goes round. The queue waving. No. Oh yeah, a bit late. They go round to there like that.
So this is the team. This is the team, and we have something very special. We have very special gift for you, and also for you. Something very special. Something that you can't even imagine. But where is the gift?
I don't know. I don't have any idea. You don't have the gift?
Not me.
Who has the gift? Hold on.
Jean-Marie has the gift.
And where is Jean-Marie? That's the question.
Do you see him somewhere?
Oh, hold on. Stand up. Look.
Here is Jean-Marie.
Hey. Wow. Look up. Jean-Marie, where are you?
Yes.
Yes, it's him. It's him. It's the French guy.
Jean-Marie Guyan, express delivery. So I think he now needs just a few minutes or seconds to get right here on the stage.
Exactly. So we have prepared for you some short video, and we would like to show it to you.
You ready?
Are you ready for the video? I don't think so. You are ready. Hello, Jean-Marie. Should we call you James Bond or Jean-Marie?
I will never do it again.
You're shaking. You're shaking.
It's windy out there.
You're a crazy man.
Catch your breath.
Okay, listen, you all signed a flag yesterday, you remember? We flew it.
Do you remember the flag here from this stage?
I have to catch it. Come open it, thanks for coming. There are more than 125 signs. Yeah. And put it in your office. And here you go. Have a good evening. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Indian motorcycle.
Morning light on chrome and steel. Cold air cuts, but it feels real. Engine hum, a steady sound. Leaving weight I carried in the ground. Rolling past the fields of green. Everything sharper than it's been. Every mile pulls something loose from the truths I've been holding on to. I've been boxed in by walls and time. Every sign says stay in line, but the horizon calls my name, and I don't fight it, not today. Where the road opens wide and the sky comes alive, I breathe deeper with every mile, riding through something bigger than I am. Through the valleys, through the climb, every bend resets my mind. Yeah, the world feels right when the road opens wide. Stone walls, rivers running fast, rain on vows of moments past, mountains standing like they know every secret I don't show. Waterfalls cut through the air, beauty hits you unaware. Every turn a different view, like the land's reminding me what's true.